so these are Curt's old
afternoon.
Floats. These are Curt's old floats. He brought them the other day. He brought them Friday.
Yep.
Left them in the truck. Obviously, he bought new floats for the carb. Ran fine. Blah, blah, blah. We went over this already in the previous video. So, my suspicion, and yours, is our usual fuel pump issue. Ben's in agreement.
Yep.
Burns in agreement. But he ain't here. Yeah, definitely
he's
think
gone.
we need a fuel pressure regulator.
Yep.
So we're going to just throw his floats in the drink here, which isn't going to hurt even though it's hot, and just see if they float, which so far so good.
So we'll leave those in there.
We'll come back in about 10 minutes because it'll either sink or not.
Yeah. If they don't sink,
then we definitely need a regulator.
Yep.
All right, so we've eaten lunch. Thanks, Ben.
You're welcome, Bill.
We kind of rescued Mrs. Ben while Ben was out of town, so that was worth it for lunch. And you got that battery for cost, just so you know.
Pays to know people, I guess.
Yeah, you got the homie price. Anyway, our floats is still a-floating, so that was definitely fuel pressure.
Yeah, because those are still floating, Curt.
Yep. It's a floater.
It's a floater.
It's a floater. Oh, it's an upper decker, eh? All right, so let me know what you want me to do with these. If you want them, I could, of course, take them home.
Yeah, I mean, the floats are good. That's not an issue.
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good. I shook them next to my ear and everything. All right. Got our fuel pressure regulator all in. I've got this baby regulated down to about 3 psi. I brought the float down and it's dumping out of the primaries again. Oh my god, this thing is a basket case. So adjusted the pressure again and it still burps over. The float's down as far as it'll go. I mean, this thing's dumping. Okay, so I've adjusted the float about 5 or 6 times at this point. Adjusted our fuel pressure. Got the regulator. Probably down to about 3 psi, or what should be 3 psi. Right now, pretty good. Turn the light on, see if we got any fuel. Now we're leaking out of the back. Jesus. Boys and girls, one thing we've learned, don't let people sell you made in China fuel pumps. They do nothing but wreak havoc. So now we're dumping in the back. All right, back up and running again. Lowered the rear float again. Don't appear to be dumping fuel anywhere at the moment. Now let's do it in the front again. What the hell? Okay. It's overpowering the regulator. Okay, if I back the regulator out any further, the adjuster's gonna fall out. Let this thing run, see what it does. Starting to do its thing. Yeah, look at that. No matter what we do, it pushes past. Incredible. It's the way it is, because it's dumping fuel. I'm still rinse my eyes first. But I can't regulate fuel anymore. You can't regulate this pressure any further. Yeah. We need to get a different pump. We have the adjuster all the way out of the regulator, like completely. That would be 1 PSI on a pump that works right. And the floats are down and everything